Raven. You smell.
Cookie.
Well, you've got to treat yourself sometime. Oh, you had no money. What about the triplets? About their own. Anyway, when your friend George starts, I'll get the power on. I told you, Mrs. Raven, George won't be working here. What?
Where's your hiccups gone?
You'll never see him again. Morning! Hi, Doctor. Did I
No, what the weird.
And why it's not better because Benny's at home.
your whole body?
From a box? Are you insane?
Your DNA is everywhere. And it's still there, the fingernails. You can clone a whole person from anything. I knew that.
George, right on time, I see. Got to go and become a doctor first. Just to be correct. Looking to form parts. Did I say you would sit down?